So the basic crane panel, this is belongs to TTS. TTS is a sister company of Macgregor. So here we have what are the things? There is 220 fuses are available here, 220, and this one is for the, so after opening the 220, then the cooling fan over here. Now the 220, and there is lightings and emergency lightings. These are the three-phase breakers. These are the three-phase breakers, and this is the main thing in the crane panel. This is the three-phase input, and we have a very good output from the 24 volt to 28.8 volt DC. This is a DC maker, like a rectification, and this is a stabilized rectifier. And on the other hand, we have a motor temperature controller and the main fuse for the all motors, like hydraulic power, feed pumps, and there is one cooler, and another thing is some of the crane have an extra pump that is fixed on the bottom. So this is our main hydraulic motor, and this is the main power pack for the crane. And we have two drums over here, hoisting and lowering. You can see this. These two drums are when it's rotate, this rope will wind on this, and accordingly the luffing, hoisting all happen. This is the main breaker. This is the main breaker to on off. This is the main breaker for ACB for on off, 400 ampere. Okay. Then this is already, just having some problem. This is an under voltage strip. This is actually, we need to install it inside like this. Actually, like this, it's going to install it inside like this. Actually, this is damaged. This is a CT for the current measurement. These all are working in this PLC. This is the PLC. This is the PLC for the crane, and these all are the external measuring devices. And come to this one. This is not a DON starter. This is a star delta starter. This is why after on the breaker, this will come to the star, the main breaker, and the star connection over here. Star connection over here. You see the star connection. This is a star connection, and normally the delta connection will go into directly to the motor. It's like that. Only two breakers are available here. This is the other cartridge for the circuit breaker. This is, you need to be on and off like this. From here you can control everything. So we need to clean it and we need to assemble it again. It's like that. So this is the basic crane panel. So these all are German stuff. Muller breakers are all from the German. This is another heater over here. Some other radio over here, and these are the connectors. And if you know the entire how to read the drawing for the crane, this is very complicated drawing. So these are basic things. Okay. So these all are the breakers. It's like a high temperature trip. Not only high temperature trip, overload trip. It's like, so these all are the motor switch. This is called a motor switch. Motor switch. This is actually, here is, you can see this is 220 new wiring and all. So we need to assemble it. And this is the main contactor for the star delta. And this one is the contactor for the feed pump. First feed pump will start, then the interlock will complete, then only the star delta starter will start. Okay, thank you for watching. When you coming to the inside of the crane, there is some controllers. It's full of this is a hoisting, lowering controller, and there is one other lever. This is called this luffing and shivering. These are the controller system inside the crane cabin. You can see our beautiful ship from inside. There is a helipad. All people are working over there. This is our ship, MV Aspen. Thank you for watching once again. Electro Marine Mania. Jai Hind.